Once you decide on an email marketing platform and set up a list, you need to convince people to actually sign up. Most email services will have a built-in form builder where you can design a form and get a snippet of code to embed it on your website. If you're not happy with the style of the forms they offer, there are plenty of WordPress plugins to help you create beautiful custom opt-in forms and place them on your site. 4 premium plugins come to mind right away: Opt-in Monster, Bloom by Elegant Themes, Thrive Leads, and SumoMe, which offers a whole suite of digital marketing tools. There's also a great free plugin available from WordPress.org that's simply called Opt-in Forms. All of these integrate directly with the top email marketing platforms. When you're growing your list, it's crucial to incentivize the opt-in. I'm going to say that again in case you didn't hear me. It's crucial to incentivize the opt-in. Inboxes are more crowded than ever, and nobody's going to give you their email address just because you want it. You have to offer something of value in return. In some cases, it can just be the content of the emails you'll be sending, if you write an industry newsletter or something like that. But in most cases, it's better to give people instant gratification with some kind of free resource in exchange for their email address. This is often referred to as a lead magnet because it attracts marketing leads, and it's probably the most effective way to get email signups. Here are some ideas to help you come up with a super effective lead magnet. A checklist or cheat sheet is a classic lead magnet that converts really well because it's so easy to digest. You just package everything people need to know into a simple, actionable list. And the general consensus in the marketing world is that short resources like checklists will actually convert better than something like an ebook because it's short and the time commitment required to consume it is minimal. A toolkit is a list of tools that you use for a particular purpose. So if you write a photography blog, for example, you could put together a list of your favorite hardware and software that you use for the job. A resource list saves people from having to do research themselves and compiles the most important resources in one place. And by the way, you'll notice the most common theme for many of these lead magnets is that they save people time and energy. That should be your number one goal. A template is some kind of outline that people can grab and apply to their own life just by filling in the blanks. Pretty simple. Calendars and planners are a huge opportunity if you want to help people achieve a long-term goal. You basically tell people what to do each day over a certain period of time, and they do it. So for example, if you write a blog about health and fitness, you could offer meal plans or workout routines as a lead magnet. Spreadsheets are a really good way to store data where you need to make live calculations, but a lot of people don't know how to program a spreadsheet to do what they want. You can fill that need by offering some kind of spreadsheet as a free resource. For instance, a personal finance blogger could offer a budgeting spreadsheet so people can just download it and input their own numbers to make it work. Earlier, I mentioned that shorter resources tend to outperform longer ones, but if you can write an extended guide or ebook that's actionable and rewarding enough, it can be a solid lead magnet. Just make sure you deliver plenty of value and don't waste people's time. You can deliver a simple email course by setting up an autoresponder series. Just write a series of emails and queue them up to send every couple of days or so after someone signs up. If your blog appeals to a creative market, printables can be a great option. Artistic materials, calendars, shopping lists, just put something into an attractive, print-friendly PDF file and offer it to new subscribers. Next is a report. In the content section, we talked about conducting original research and sharing the results in a blog post. Another twist on that concept would be to share your results in a downloadable PDF in exchange for email addresses. You can summarize your results on your blog and point people to the free download if they want to learn more. In certain industries, audio makes more sense as a format than text or video. It's great for busy entrepreneurs or something like guided meditation, for example. Just set up an opt-in form and deliver the file as an MP3. Live webinars are an amazing way to build trust with your audience, and they're also a great way to collect email addresses. Have people sign up if they're interested, then send them more details by email. GoToWebinar by Citrix is the most popular solution for hosting live webinars. PDF version. A super easy but highly effective way to turn blog readers into subscribers is by offering a PDF version of your longer blog posts. For some people, it's just a more convenient way to consume the content. You can do it manually or use a tool like printfriendly.com to convert your content into a PDF in like 60 seconds. Wallpaper or other art. If you're a designer, You can make some of your work available for free in exchange for an email opt-in. Wallpapers are great, as are Facebook and Twitter cover photos. Photoshop templates are really effective if your audience is full of designers or other creatives. Community. You could offer a private community exclusive to people who opt into your list. This can be something you create and host yourself with the BuddyPress plugin for WordPress, for example, or it can be as simple as a Facebook group or Slack team. People love surrounding themselves with like-minded individuals to network and share ideas, and an email address is a very small ask in return. If you run a service business, case studies are one of the best ways to land new clients. If you can show how you've helped someone else, that's social proof, which is a big factor in the buying process. When you put a case study behind an opt-in form, the leads you get from that form will be highly qualified and more likely than other groups to buy from you. Along the same lines, offering a free quote in exchange for contact information will deliver highly qualified leads that you can then follow up with and close. So those are all solid ideas for potential lead magnets. You don't have to pick just one. In fact, it's smart to combine several different lead magnets into your strategy. That way you can appeal to different segments of your audience with different offers. By the way, when you create a lead magnet, make sure you give it the time and attention it deserves. The lead magnet sets the tone for your entire relationship with your email subscribers, so it should be something you're proud of. Now let's talk about delivery. Most people deliver lead magnets in one of two ways. The first is to include a download link on your thank you page, which is where you send people as soon as they sign up. The other is to put a download link in the welcome email that's delivered as soon as people confirm their subscription. That's the method I prefer because your download link isn't on a public web page, so only your subscribers will be able to access it. Lead magnets are essential for growing an email list, so start thinking about which ones you'd like to employ on your blog, and in the next lecture, we'll dive deeper on some specific methods you can use to grow your email list using lead magnets and creative opt-in forms.